Hello everybody, we're playing Grow a Garden. Wait, what? I have junk box. Chicken zombie. And a mega zombie. Whose garden is this? Never mind, it's not a garden. So, I have three of the biggest one, I think. My other one is in my other account. I think, okay? I think.
Today I'm going to be
What
in
the-
the status.
Yes, look at that. Ano ka na, bro?
Tulungan mo ate mo, tapos na ba?
Yes.
Pati isampay?
Ignore that, just ignore it. So, I have no egg. I'm going to my second account in my other phone so I can open those eggs. I'll be right back. Just wait everyone, please. My account will be just right. No, there's something. Wait! No, what is this? Wait! Oh, man. Ito na. Okay, I'll be right back in this channel. So we're back into this YouTube channel. Here's my friend. Here's my second account. Here's my second account. I'll say hi. Say hi. Hi everybody. Yeah. So okay, let's go open this. This number one. Come on. The second account has 8 shots in the garden for that's the egg. So it's so hard. The other one, attack caterpillar, or maybe not. Oh yeah, I'm right. Let's go. What is it? Apax? Ay, ano ako? Caterpillar. Okay, good. Number 5. Come on, give him extra yak. Extra yak, extra yak, extra yak, extra yak. Come on. Open the other. No yak so far. Still have no yak in this game. Number 5. And number 7. Kailangan mo na mag-pay. Okay, next. Uy, ba't dalawang cellphone ginagamit mo? What is it? A caterpillar. Okay. Noodles. I still have 11. No. Mythic egg 11, spore egg 5, bug egg 6. So we're gonna place them down. I'm gonna just gonna get out of here. And place this of this down. You know what? Let's go do this. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay. We'll be back from Akapo when it's done. I will go to my another video is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.